The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. Their average lifespan is about 2 to 16 years. The cheetah is a large cat native to Africa and central Iran. The dog is a domestic animal. They can run up to 72 km per hour. The donkey or ass is a domestic animal in the horse family. Elephants are the largest existing land animals. Asian elephant average mass is 4,000 kg. Their average lifespan is 60 to 70 years. Horse is a domesticated one-toed hoofed mammal. Their maximum speed is 88 km per hour. A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino, is a member of any of the 5 extant species of odd-toed ungulates in the family Rhinostratidae. Their lifespan is 40 to 50 years. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white striped coats. Their average mass is 350 kg to 450 kg. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera, native to Africa and India. They can run up to 80 km per hour.